Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change folder storage location in Microsoft Outlook offline mode on a computer. So how to change folder storage location in Microsoft Outlook offline mode on a computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To change offline mode storage, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a settings icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the general menu. Now in the general menu there are many menus. Tap the offline menu. Now here you are in the offline menu. In the folder to save menu section. To change offline mode storage, tap on default. Here 3 storage location options will appear. Choose one. This function is to save emails that have not been sent when there is no internet connection. After returning online, emails in this folder will be automatically sent to the recipient. So that's it, tutorial how to change folder storage location in Microsoft Outlook offline mode on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.